Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you two websites where you can earn money taking surveys. You can earn money taking surveys on these websites. You can earn up to 1.38 US dollar per survey on these websites. You can click on join if you want to join africite.com. There are 3 steps that you need to complete before you can get paid on these websites. The first is to join africite.com, and the second is to take surveys. We regularly email you surveys invites. That is, they will send you email frequently through your email. Okay, they will send you surveys. Sorry guys, they will send you surveys through your email frequently, and you get reward. That is, you get paid once you complete the assignment, that is the survey given to you. And also, I want to tell you this, that you don't need to lie when you're filling out your profile, and make sure you complete your profile so that they will always send you an surveys that you are qualified with. Who are the people AfriSites help? They help the government, brands, NGOs to take well-founded decisions in Africa. When you join AfriSites, you'll be asked your opinion and insights, that is knowledge on brands, products, markets, and companies, health, awareness, people, politics, and governance, and many more. And let's check out the testimonials on AfriSites. As a student, AfriSites came as a blessing. Now I earn extra pocket money, which allows me to buy airtime, data, and take my girlfriend out. This is a testimonial from Additional, Nigeria. The second one is from Yuven, which is Tanzania. And the third is Temba, South Africa. So guys, Nigeria is not excluded from this because I know a lot of websites that does not allow Nigeria to participate. So guys, let's click on join now and let's see how their website looks like. So I'm going to join with my Google account. So you can also can choose the one that you prefer. So I prefer to choose my Google account. So it's loading. It's still loading, guys. This is how your account will look like if you just open it. You just create your account. So click on as you can see, complete your basic profile info. Please click here to add this information. So make sure you click and complete it. So I have already clicked here, and it's going to another page pops up, which is your profile page. You have to enter your first name, your last name, gender, date of birth. Once you are done with the registration, available surveys will pop up. As you can see, 1.3 USD reward, and the length, that is the minutes, is 20 minutes to start to do this, to answer the surveys. Make sure you agree with all of the terms and conditions. If you do not agree with 1 or 2 terms and conditions on this website, definitely you won't be able to perform any surveys, and you won't be able to do any surveys. Yeah, so guys, this is how they're going to redirect you into another websites. In surveys, definitely is they are making surveys for other brands. Definitely they're going to be redirecting you to the websites that you are going to be taking surveys on. So this is how it's going to look like, and you just keep answering the question till you are done with the questions. Yeah, now let's go to the other website. Hello guys, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I'm giving you a warm welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Amdala. What we're doing in this channel is talking about how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that's what you're interested in, why just consider subscribing to the channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's dive into the second website where you can earn money online taking surveys. So guys, next survey is Mobrog.com. Mobrog is an first top ranking website that pay Nigerian. You can earn up to 100 to 600 naira on these websites. At Mobrog, you can actively participate in market research, give your opinion, and earn money by taking part in online and mobile surveys. Let's check out their websites and see how it looks like. How does it work? Register and complete your profile. Take part in surveys on interesting topic. Have fun. Get paid for your opinion. You get paid through PayPal or Mobrog. in my last video I mentioned I create a video. Now you can create a PayPal account using your smartphone, and it's easy to create a PayPal account. Okay, just go and watch the video step by step and watch it to very end so that you get access to get the app. I also mentioned a app where you can transfer your US dollar, your money to that account. You can create a US dollar account on that app as well, but you cannot receive payments, like this website that only pays through PayPal. You can use that account to receive money, but you can always transfer the money paid to your PayPal into that account. Do you understand me? Like you can create a US dollar account on that app. Okay guys, so make sure you watch the video. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you to watch the video on how to create a PayPal account. So guys, see you in my next video. That will be the end of today's video. If you find it useful, let me know in the comment section. Your comments really matters a lot. And also like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.